Alright, so I want to bake with my sourdough today. This good one. It is awesome. It smells amazing. It rises and falls and all that good stuff. And, and Catherine says hi. And so we're going to do a float test. And hopefully it'll be ready. Grab a little bit. Drop it in there. Does it float? No. So I gotta feed it, wait a little bit, and try again. Bam! So, not so great update. My bell peppers that we repotted and tried to overwinter and save from being a litter box and being attacked by flea beetles have all but not made it. There's like one left that's still alive, and it's just not looking great. The flea beetles and the litter box and the repotting and just all of it together, just they couldn't handle it, unfortunately. And even more unfortunate news is that the flea beetles have now moved on to my habanero and my jalapeno plants. Now my jalapeno plant is still producing, flowering, and the fruits are ripening. Hold on, baby. Okay, hold on. And the fruits are ripening, and the plant looks pretty healthy. I've been taking duct tape and masking tape and rolling it up and gently patting the leaves to get as many of the eggs and the adult flea beetles off of this plant that I can, because it's in my house. And I want it to ideally survive the winter so that I can put it outside and get another season of it being outside and happy, and ideally bring it back inside next fall. Why are you sneezing? Achoo? No? Okay. And so the jalapeno plant still looks nice. It still looks healthy. It's still acting right. Unfortunately, baby, mommy's trying to talk. Unfortunately, my habanero plant, it looks rough. Those flea beetles got the habanero plant hard, and so I took it out to the sunroom in an attempt to really get on top of that. And well, let me just show you what condition it's in right now. Alright, so I put them back on the stool here. Oh, I'm zoomed in and I didn't realize it. Oh no, I'm not. Okay, so this is what the habanero, oh, I am zoomed in and didn't realize it. So this is what my habanero plant looks like now, and it's just missing a lot of leaves. It's droopy and sad, and granted it's been in the sunroom where it's been pretty chilly, because I was trying to like very, very aggressively treat this guy for flea beetles. You can still see on the leaves that there's some flea beetles. Just like it just smells so strongly of neem oil. Oh my gosh. So I watered him, brought him back in. Hopefully it'll warm up. Hopefully he'll start to grow more leaves again in the warmth and the sun, more direct sun than he was having. And also, hopefully I can just stay on top of these flea beetles, because I'll be sad if this guy doesn't make it. I really will be.